Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Here we are in Maggie Valley. A little chilly tonight. We just arrived, about a 14 hour drive up from Florida. A bunch of folks are already here. We're getting ready to start our day tomorrow with a drive down the tail of the dragon. And then a lot of things planned for this weekend. Meals, concerts, the whole 9 yards, drives, and the whole 9 yards. A lot of things going on. So hey, look, check out our calendar. Check out the calendar for this weekend. Also, down in Florida, we've got the Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers. Sunday morning, we got Punta, Gorda Cars and Coffee. And then next week, 2 weeks from now, 2 weekends from now, we have the Daytona Drive-On. So if you ain't got your tickets for the Daytona Drive-On, get your tickets for Daytona Drive-On. Get your tickets for the Daytona Drive-On. We'll have a corral there in center of the track, and we'll do the barbecue, cook, and the whole 9 yards. We'll have the tent and everything there. So come on down and join us for that. A lot of things going on. Check out the things below. I got a great camera person tonight. Carol's actually here doing the camera work. And all our friends. Whoa! Just finished up a 12 or 14 hour drive.
What a silent group.
Yeah. So a lot of things going on. This is a busy time of the year for us, and we got 53 folks up here going to enjoy the leaves this weekend. Wish you were here. Sorry you couldn't be, but maybe next year. Get on that list. Get on it early. Hey, a lot of things going on. Check out the Daytona thing. Check out the Sebring coming up first weekend in December, and we'll see you soon. Until then, happy motoring.
Hey, bye, everybody.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.